Hello, I am an illustrator named Kasper. On this channel I share my passion of drawing, and my goal is to create inspiring and thoughtful drawing videos for everyone. Each week I create fun draw-along videos, I create videos that are more educational minded about drawing, and then I do all sorts of creative tutorials that have a relation to drawing. I believe that drawing is all about investigating, experimenting and playing. Of course, I also share my work as an illustrator, so I will be sharing sketchbook tours, talk about commission jobs, and I will also make videos where I let myself be inspired by other artists. I hope that you want to tag along, and I look forward to serve as an inspiration for your drawing wishes. And don't forget, have fun drawing.